नौजवान हमारा मुस्तकबिल है और उनकी किरदार साजी हर मुमकिन हद तक अहम है। चेयरमैन पीपल्स पार्टी बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी ने कहा कि कैडेट कॉलेज पटारो एक बेहतरीन इदारा है और इस इदारे का किरदार नौजवानों की तरबियत और किरदार साजी में नहायत अहम है। पाकिस्तान की दिफाई और खुदमुख्तारी की जानिब से भी जोर दिया और कहा कि हालिया दिनों में पाकिस्तान ने अपनी खुदमुख्तारी और दिफा का तहफ़्फ़ुज़ किया और पाकिस्तान आलमी सतह पर अपना मुनफरिद मकाम बना चुका है।
Became and responsibility became instinct. Not everyone who enters Ptaro completes this journey, but you did. That alone tells us something important about you. Cadet College Ptaro is not merely a place of education. It is a crucible. It demands more from its cadets than comfort allows. It teaches that excellence is not inherited, excuses are not entertained, and leadership is earned one discipline at a time. This institution also holds personal meaning for my family, as my father, President Asif Ali Zardari, once stood where you stand today. It is the education that he received here at Cadet College Ptaro that allowed him the distinction to serve as the only civilian to have been elected to the office of president twice. It is the education that he received here that allowed him to experience both the ups and the downs of Pakistani politics. For while he has been elected president twice, he also has the distinct honor